Right, back at it again. This time, octamed 4 channels, 8-bit audio, making some jungle music. If you didn't know, at the back of the Amiga, you get a left and a right, and you get 2 channels in each. And I send those to the desk. You've got one here and one there. I've got the drums and the bass to this, and they're grouped to the compressor down here. I've also added some effects off the desk. That's how I kind of give the Amiga a little bit of life. Check that out. So first started off with, what do we have? A rough 8-bit aiming, standard business. As you can see, when I trigger it on MIDI, it's going through to the compressor here, so you got, just gives the Amiga a bit more weight in sound. Got a Hoover, some strings, the classic Amiga sub, which is beautiful. Just look at that. Whoa. A couple of vocal bits. Yeah, basically a handful of samples. Just want to make some rough 8-bit stuff again. So, yeah, less chatting, no synthesis time, just samples straight out of the Amiga. So here we go, more Amiga rough bangers. Go ahead.